Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning. Yeah, you guys are gonna be taking a hike with me this morning, having some coffee. That's what's up, guys. Yeah, man. This morning I got up on time, but I choose to lay down an extra half an hour, and I ended up leaving at the house late, guys. So now I'm off to one of my favorite spots that I love so much. But I've caught my biggest snapper down here, and I had a rundown from a big snapper last time I was here. So now I'm heading down to the spot, guys. I'm gonna get out there. I'm traveling very light today, one rod, tackle bag, and that's it. I don't even think I even brought my string and cooler with me, guys, to be honest with you. I don't know what I'm gonna take my fish home with. I'm gonna have to probably pull some of this vine to get my fish home. Let's see what's up. Let's hope I don't have to do that, and I can probably do a catch and cook down here or something. Who knows? But I left my string, I just remembered, and that's not good, just in case you pick up multiple fish. But I'm gonna try down in one of my favorite first spot and see what's up and see what we can pick up, guys. It is a nice little walk down here at times, but I enjoyed it. This gives me good cardio, guys. Shortcut is blocked off. Next shortcut is open. Alright, let's go in here, guys. Through the bushes. Shore fishing favorite spot. I want to try this side first, and then we'll head over there. There should be action on that side, but last time I was here, a big barra ran down my friend's line, and in here there be jacks. This is where I caught that 2-pound jack last time. So I am going to try my luck in here, guys, and give it a shot, see what's up. Try over here first. Water's not looking too bad. Pier's feeling slippery though on these boots. Yeah, guys, so water looks good up here, man. There's probably be a big barra hanging around here someplace. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful Jamaica, guys. Let me get this coffee cup down. Do I feel like having the bag on my back? I don't feel like getting my bag wet. Make sure all your guide eyes are straight. Check your lines, guys. Make sure everything's okay. Check your leader. Make sure your lure's connected correctly. These are things that you check before you cast. All right, guys. Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. All right, guys. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, please. First cast, guys. Let's see what we can pick up. Ooh, I see something chasing already. Lure's not giving me the swim that I want. But let's get this lure back out there again and see if we can get it to twitch the way we want it. Yep, it's swimming the way I want it now. Under. Give it another shot, guys. This water's pretty clear. Double check my leader, guys. I think I have a little kink at the end of my leader. That's giving it a bad swim, and that's not good. I don't like that. When you have a bend right at there, boy, it does give you a messed up swim at times. But let's scan this water and see what we can pick up, guys. Getting a good cast out. Alright, let's get a cast on this side and see what's up. Just scanning this water, guys, to see if we get any chases. Not getting any chases on this side. Alright, let's get out further. I'm gonna change this lure, guys. Get this bag off my back real quick. It's all wet right here anyways. See if I can do it without getting my bag wet. Something a bit more highlighted. Yeah, this sucks sometimes to do this on wet grounds, but let's keep this bag up and this open until we're ready to move. I'm not quite ready to move from this spot yet. Let me see if I can go with a lighter color lure with a little bit more glimmer. Give me a little bit more shine to it. Go with this blue right here. Ouch. Got hooked by the white. See if this light blue color will give me some vibes. Make sure your lure is locked on, guys, when you put them on. I've seen people lose their lures too many times, and fish. So you got to be extremely careful and keep that in mind. I seen a long jaw jump earlier. I was chasing it. Alright, good deal. Alright, we're gonna take it to the other side, guys. Hey guys, I left him over at the pier and came to this side. I'm heading to that tip and then work my way around. Just checking these areas, making sure I work my full potential. A lot of reefs here, I gotta be careful. Don't want to get hitched in any of them. But I've picked up yellowtail, all kinds of species right here already, guys. Searching. Let's see if I can pick up a barra. Fishing on, guys. Fishing on, guys. Fishing on, guys. Jackfish. Haha. That's what's up, Jamaica Shore Fishing. I'm gonna give this to my boy over there. That's a Rasta that's over there sleeping. I'm gonna walk him over there real quick and give him a fish this morning. Yeah, I'm gonna give my boy a fish this morning. I got one in the fridge too, but I didn't bring my string with me, guys, and I'm not walking around with this thing in my hand. Jamaica Shore Fishing. Rasta, it's breakfast, yeah. C'est breakfast, yeah. No, breakfast. Yeah, man, it's breakfast, yeah, my G. Go on, feel this. You see me? Yes, people. Yeah. You don't want to have my brethren. You like my people? Yeah. Alright, brother. Bless up yourself. One love. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. So. Oh, sea grapes. Sea grapes are ripe this morning. Yeah, these are nice, guys. I eat these all the time, sea grapes. Not as sweet as the one I had yesterday. But pretty good. Brown rock. On the other side. Yeah, guys, excited little catch. Go back at it again. See what we can pick up. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Thank you, guys, for joining us, guys. Big up yourself. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more Jamaican Shore Fishing lure catches, guys. Seeing if there's a barra or something hanging out close to here, guys. That's why you see me scanning the water like the way I am. I'm not even going to go over here because I done scanned from there back already. I'm going to go up top, work my way around. I'm actually hunting for a big barra this morning, guys. I need me a nice sized barra to eat today. I'm in the mood for barra. So I'm scanning the water before the wind kicks up and change direction on me. Start coming face forward into me. That won't be good. More sea grapes. I'll grab some on the way back. I like those nice vitamin C in the morning, guys. This is the Jamaican Shore Fishing hunting way. A lot of people don't understand, guys, how much work I put into this. I do 5 to 10K every weekend. Just natural. I mean, it's exercise for me as well as fun. Not only fun, but I also get to have food. Alright, guys, we're gonna try this spot. You see all this reef? something hanging out in here. But we're gonna try this side first, and then we're gonna go to that tip and work our way back this way. The wind is calm right now. I don't have much wind. Let's see what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. All right, good. Lure got good drop. Ooh, I got hit. Oh, fudge bucket. I got hit by something big a while ago, guys. Ooh, he missed. He hit the wire. Holy smoke. That's what he did. He hit the wire a while ago, guys. That was a big jack or something. He missed. All right, let's get it back out there again, guys. Let's give it another shot. See if we can pick that fish up. Damn. Seen that, guys? He jumped right out the water. He ain't taking it back again after that. I'll tell you that much. Go a different direction. Try to get a little bit further out the reef. Alright, we're gonna ship. I think they got used to me, guys. I don't like to do over 3 or 4 casts because in one spot, because sometimes they feel that hook and they get nervous after that, guys. They get shook. Cause a disturbance. I see somebody going for it. Woo! Long jaw grabbed it, but he missed, guys. Shit. Long jaw grabbed it, but he missed. He don't grab that I can get a good hook either. Had a little frigga. Alright, let's see if we can hook a barra, guys, because that's what really I want. These damn long jaws are playing games with me. Ooh, some fish on, guys. Fish on. Jack. Got a nice blue runner too, guys. Another one. Woohoo! Striker. Let's get him over here. Blue runner day, guys. That's what's up. Locate him sideways too, guys. Look at that. Let's get you there. You're good to go. Fire, man, you light up fire yet? Eh? That's a breakfast nice this morning, fire. Alright, you see fire? Alright, now good on you, sir. I want to borrow me a hunt, man. I look for you borrow them, man. You that me a hunt for. Yeah. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Then good, man, then good. Me and them all the time, man. Yeah, guys, we're on the hunt. So what's up, guys? Beautiful, beautiful nature. Look at this. Hallelujah. Nobody to bother you, guys. Just you and God. This is so beautiful. I appreciate this every weekend. I feel thankful that I'm blessed to live, to get up and see this every day. Alright, guys, that's it. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We are heading home. That's it. We're done for the day. It's time to head in, guys. Murder She Wrote. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys, and watch the ads. You hear me say, peoples? Yeah, man. Watch your ads, guys. Damn. Woo woo. Hit that, guys. Murder She Wrote.